May bagong kapihan na naman tayo sa Malolos. And it's nestled in the heart of the city. Hello again, Maloleños. And true enough, this newly opened coffee shop brings a fresh new vibe to the local cafe scene. Just look at this collection. Tara, let's meet the owner.
Kape, kawa, coffee. Tagalog is kape, then Arabic is kawa, then English coffee. So it means kape, kape, kape.
Alongside their premium coffee offerings, the cafe also serves delicious freshly made sandwiches, breads, cakes, and pastries that perfectly complements the rich, bold flavors of their drinks.
Bali nag-start ako mag-work as a barista sa ibang bansa since 2008. Naging barista ako for how many years? Then naging isa ako sa mga trainers. Then promoted as a area manager. Then I'm handling almost 11 branches in the other country. Then last year only, before end of the last year, nag-decide ako na umuwi for good, and now nag-open ako ng sarili kong coffee shop.
And it's true, his deep passion is evident in every product they make.
Hi, good day. We're inviting you, when in Malolos, to visit Kape Kawa Coffee or KQC here in the front of Malolos Pure Gold Crossing.
Tara, let's!